Parang si Tiluwi ko na ako. Alright, so once again to all the kids over there, come on, go to the swinger. So ayan, maraming hinandang prizes si Joy. And then, libre talaga yun yung mommy and daddy. Alright, so parang magdami mo siya ng parang may namin sila tawag ko dyan ah. Anyway, marami pala talaga kilos. Okay. Ayan. So once again, to all our guests, and then once again, to all the kumpayas, and available ang ating racing vehicle over there. Yes, okay. So once again, yes, will you please stand up? Okay lang po ba, yes? Slide mo lang muna tayo. So i-atras lang natin sa